Hey everyone, Matt here. I'm in my workshop. And the other day, I was building a bike for my wife, brand new bike for my wife, and I was installing a SRAM dub threaded bottom bracket into her new frame, which has a BSA threaded bottom bracket shell. We're sold that as the easiest system out there. Just BSA threaded, thread those cups in, no problem. It would be maybe, except I realized something. When I pulled open the drawer that holds my bottom bracket cup tools in my toolbox here, I realized I was looking at a whole bunch of different cup tools for all the different interfaces on all the different bottom bracket cups. You know, I've got a press for my press fit stuff, and it's pretty easy. It's just a couple handles, threaded rod, and some drifts. Is that a lot harder than this? I don't know that we've really achieved simplicity with threaded systems if Park Tool has 10 different cup tools for threaded systems in their catalog. I mean, do we need 10, 7, 5, 3? Maybe we can get away with a few less. I mean, it's just really frustrating when you get a bike with a BSA threaded bottom bracket shell and you're like, oh, this is so easy, I'll just thread something in, and you grab your fancy new bottom bracket from wherever, and then you realize you don't have the right cup tool, and oh snap, what now? Oh, I've got to order that cup tool. Oh snap, it's out of stock, because 50% everything's out of stock right now. So companies, when you're making a new awesome bottom bracket that saves you so many watts and lasts forever, maybe use an existing tool interface instead of pulling something new out of your please. It would really make things easier, and easier is what threaded systems are supposed to be.